Hello. So in this playlist, I'm gonna show you how to do 2D CFD for an airfoil using SolidWorks and ANSYS Fluent. So if you have no experience with ANSYS or never used it before, don't worry. I'll show you step by step how to do it. However, I'm not gonna show you what is the right values to use and how to do the theoretical work. I'm just gonna show you how to do the technical work for SolidWorks and ANSYS, and that's it. And you can on your own time research about what are the right values to use. So I'll put a link in the description showing the material that we're gonna use here. So first we're gonna use the airfoil. In this course we're gonna use NACA 0012. You can get airfoil from Airfoil Tools or choose your own airfoil if you need that. So first you're gonna click here and click download. Once you download it in your own file, it'll give you an Excel sheet. Double click it, open the Excel sheet. Now here you have it. So how we're gonna put it into SolidWorks is we need to give it an X, Y, and Z coordinates so we're gonna use a two-dimensional shape. So the Z should be zeros and the X and the Y. So X and Y, the starting and the end should be the same in both. So you don't have an open shape, you have a closed shape. I'll explain it further. So yeah, you need to have 1 and 0 and 1 and 0 start and end. So this is the X, this is the Y, this is the Z. Once you have it, just go to your file, save as. So to insert it into SolidWorks, you need to insert it as text. Click save. If you go, yeah, right here, this is our text file. Now let's launch SolidWorks. Create a new part. Go to your front plane. Go to insert. Go to curve. Curve through X, Y, Z. Then you're gonna browse and look for here it is. Yeah, make sure you choose text file. Double click. Alright, it's not happy with it. Yeah. Make sure to close the Excel sheet. Insert XYZ, browse, text file, and press OK. And there we have it. There we have our lovely airfoil. So what we're gonna do is go to the front plane, create a sketch on it. So this is like a photo that you inserted, so we need to create a sketch over it because you cannot change it, you cannot change the dimensions, you cannot change the angle of attack, you cannot change anything for it. So what we're going to do is choose it, click on convert entities, that will create an airfoil over it, and you can hide the original airfoil. So you see how these ends meet at the trailing edge and the leading edge. If we, for example, in the Excel sheet, if we did not have the X and Y as 1 and 0 start to end, this will be an open shape and it will not work.